We are obviously focused on media entertainment. Streaming is attractive for us. Local content, I think that's the next big thing. We've seen the importance of localization of content in many other emerging markets. We are also getting into some events. We think post-COVID, people will go back to events, and that's something that is a focus for us in the MENA region.
In terms of that push and expansion, I mean, one of the big questions, of course, is how much local help that companies like that can hope to get. Obviously, Angami started out in Beirut. They moved to Abu Dhabi. They got a lot of that seed capital from Abu Dhabi global market. Where do you see that kind of strategy working for companies out here? Because obviously, we've also now got the Abraham Accords, which means we could see a lot more cross-Israeli investment as well.
Yeah, no, that's absolutely correct. Angami, the reason that it attracted us was that they have a great local expertise. And if you look at some numbers, for example, they have only 1% of their catalog in the Arabic language, but that constitutes more than 50% of all the streaming that happens on the platform. So it just highlights how important it is to have a local player or to have any player which is localizing the content to the local needs. And that's where Angami excels, and that's what attracts us.
It's interesting, isn't it? I mean, when we talk about that kind of opportunity, I had the chance to sit down just last week with Careem's co-founder and CEO, Mudassir Shaker. We were talking about the opportunities for unicorns here in the region. Obviously, Careem, the first real unicorn from the region. Do you see the same kind of positive thinking, if you will, in terms of the potential for more unicorns out of this part of the world?
Absolutely. You talked about Careem. There was Souq, which was bought by Amazon. Now we have the first Arab tech company from the region, which is Angami, which is going public on NASDAQ. I think there are many more such companies that do have an opportunity to look at a global market. And if they're giving the right platform, like a public listing or a SPAC merger, I think it is important for the world to look at the opportunities that exist in the region. And I'm sure you'll see more news of this nature coming out in the recent times.